Good morning, students. This is KK Bhatt here. Dear students, once again I am here. English of class 10th, CBSE. In the previous video, I taught you the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. I hope it is clear to all. Now, I explained some stanzas, but today I am going to rest stanza which we could not, which we cannot explain. Today I am just going to explain the second last of this page. You can know that custard and pirate both are going to be fight to each other, as when every pet animal like ink, blink and mustard go away from there. Only Belinda was there. She was completely feared. At that moment, Dragon just came ahead to save Belinda, and he just jumped jumped over the pirate, creating a sound. Here the poet compared the nostril sound with the sound of engine. That is create a sound. Clash his tail like iron in the dungeon. Move his tail, hit his tail, just like as iron which has been given movement by the blacksmith in the fireplace, with a clatter and clank and jangling square. Due to giving movement to his tail, a different type of sound create from his tail. He went at the pirate like a robin. Robin here is a bird who is famous for hunting. Whenever a worm can be seen by robin, he just attacked over him directly and killed and it. As same as dragon also attacked over the pirate like the robin. Now see the last stanza of this page. The pirate get Belinda's dragon. When Belinda's dragon attacked over him, he just make a gap from his attack. And being aside, he just put out a cane from his pocket that is full of drink. It means wine. He swallowed some drop of wine, and then after he just used his pistol, and with his pistol he fired two bullets, but they did not hit. But luckily both bullets missed, and they can't hit the pirate. Both bullets just goes beside dragon. They do not hit the dragon. And when the bullet missed, dragon just attacked over him and swallowed every part of his body. He completely swallowed it. He cannot leave a little part of his body. Completely swallowed the dragon. Now see the next page. The last page. Belinda embraced him. When parrot has been killed, has been swallowed by the dragon, then Belinda became happy. Why? Because the life of Belinda is dangerous. There is clear that the rival of parrot was not a good means. It means he was there for something bad. For something bad. That is why when Belinda is saved by the dragon, she became very happy, and with happiness, she hugged the dragon, and everyone just praised the dragon for its bravery. At same moment, the mustard dog, it also moved around and started to lick the dragon, because dragon saved everyone's life. That is why mustard just started to lick him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. No one mourned, become sad. No one being sad. No one being sad for the death of on the death of pirate. No one became sad on the death of pirate. Ink and blink in glee. Glee means with joy, with full of joy. Garrett, take around, move around. It means ink and blink both become happy because of the death of pirate, and both happily started to move around, started to take movement around the Garrett, around the dragon, around a dragon that at the parrot. Who at the parrot? Why they are enjoying? Because parrot has been killed or swallowed by the dragon. Now there is no dangerous condition. That is why everyone just started to show happiness. But presently up spoke little dog must. Children, you know that habit can't be changed. Habit can't be changed. आप देख सकते हो जैसा आदमी जैसा होता है वो हर जगह वैसे ही अपने आप को प्रदर्शित करता है. दीज आर द पर्सन हियर द पोएट personified mustard, dragon, ink and blink. So as you know that presently up spoke little dog mustard. They returned to their habits and they started to boasting themselves. See here what the dog said. I would have been twice as brave if I had not flustered. If he did not fluster, if he did not run away with fear, he is twice brave from dragon. It means he is just showing that he is twice brave than dragon. And up spoke ink and blink, spoke blink. We have been thrice, 3 times as brave, and same as habit, ink and blink, both are spoke that they were 3 times brave from dragon. Within and Custard said, Custard ने कहा, what he said? Custard said, I quite agree. He is completely agree that everyone braver than me. Well, he just agree that all the animals are brave than him. अब यहाँ देख सकते हो जो लोग वास्तव में वैल्यूएबल होते हैं या जिनके पास कुछ होता है वो अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन नहीं करते हैं कि आई हैव समथिंग. Because when the time come, they show their power, they show their talents. That is why there is no need to explain what you have. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमें कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हमारे पास क्या है. पब्लिक अपने आप लोग जान जाते हैं. अब जैसा कि बेलिंडा थी, उसके आँख पे पट्टी बंधी थी, वो समझती थी कि जो ड्रैगन है वो कवर्ड है, उसके बस का कुछ नहीं है और ख़ुद को और उन सबको बहुत बहादुर समझती थी। लेकिन एट लास्ट क्या हुआ, एट लास्ट जो ड्रैगन है वही उसके काम आता है, बाकी सब उसको छोड़ के भाग जाते हैं। तो देर इज़ नो नीड टू एक्सप्लेन मच। और अब यहाँ देखो जो पोएट है पर्सनिफिकेशन का यूज़ कर रहा है। पर्सनिफिकेशन मानवीकरण करना मतलब किसी जीव जंतु या किसी निर्जीव चीज़ को, लाइफलेस ऑब्जेक्ट को हम ऐसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं जैसे वो मानव हो। ठीक है, यहाँ उसको मानव के रूप में प्रेजेंट किया जाए। दैट इज़ वाई हियर पर्सनिफिकेशन। नाउ सेकेंड लास्ट पैराग्राफ स्टैंजा। नाउ सेकेंड लास्ट स्टैंजा। Belinda still live in a little white house. The poet says that after that accident, they do not leave that place. Belinda, nowadays, Belinda also live with that little house, white house, with her little kitten and her little grey mouse, with her and her little yellow dog and her little red dragon, and her really little pet dragon. Brenda nowadays lived with that animal as a kitten, mouse, dog, red wagon and really with a pet dragon. Yani 4 animals are in present time living with her. Belinda is as brave as a barrel full of beer. Belinda just showing her braveness like a group of bears. Ink and Blink chase lion down the stair. अभी भी जो इंक और ब्लिंक हैं ऐसे दौड़ते जैसे वो लगता है कि शेर का पीछा कर रहे हैं. एंड अ लिटिल येलो डॉग एंड मस्टर्ड एज ब्रेव एज टाइगर इन ए रेस. और जो डॉग है मस्टर्ड है वो अपने आप को अभी भी ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा जैसे ही वॉज एज ब्रेव एज द टाइगर इन एंग्रीनेस. जैसे गुस्से में एक टाइगर होता है वो अपना एंग्रीनेस शो करता है, उसी तरह से जो मस्टर्ड है वो अपने ब्रेवनेस को शो करता है. बस कस्टर्ड कीप क्राइंग फॉर ए से नाइस सेफ प्लेस. बट कस्टर्ड अभी भी आवाज़ देता है, चिल्लाता है. उसके कहने का मतलब ये है कि बीइंग ए गार्जियन इज अलर्ट अस देम दैट दिस प्लेस इज नॉट सेफ फॉर देम. That is why he is just crying and want to tell that this place was not safe for them. That is why he want to change the place. Dear students, that is the end of the poem. I hope everyone understand. Well, there is no problem to understand this poem. If you have any problem, you can ask through the comment box. Thank to watch my video. I hope you will like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye. Next video I'll explain the next lesson, sermon at Banaras. For that time, okay, bye.